I'm Connor with GME Supply, and today we're going to go over the process of washing your rope using Sterling's Wicked Good Rope Wash. Keeping your rope clean is essential to its strength and longevity. Dirt and debris can work its way into the core and severely damage it. Replacing a rope can get expensive, so properly storing and maintaining your rope can save you a lot of money. Storing your rope in a rope bag is a great way to keep it clean and protected. However, there's no avoiding the elements while it's in use. With time in use, your rope is going to pick up dirt and grime. You may notice residue on your hands or diminished color vibrancy. At this point, your rope needs to be cleaned. Here's our step-by-step guide on how to wash your rope using Sterling's Wicked Good Rope Wash. First, you'll need a tub or large bucket, 1 packet of Wicked Good Rope Wash, and your dirty rope. In this example, we're using a 300-foot half-inch rope. You'll want to use your judgment for how much water is required for your rope. You should be able to tell once you get going if you need more water or another packet of rope wash. Longer ropes will likely require more of both. Fully submerge the rope into the bucket of water and soap mixture. Let the rope soak for at least 30 minutes, allowing the wash to fully penetrate the core. Agitate the rope vigorously for about 5 minutes. Drain and refill the tub or bucket with warm water and agitate for another 2 minutes. Repeat this step until water runs clear to ensure all the dirt and rope wash is removed. This rope wash can also be used in a washing machine, if you prefer that method. Refer to the instructions on the packet for more specific details. Now that your rope is washed, you'll want to make sure that it's dried correctly. Your rope should be completely dry before storing or using it. Loosely drape it in a temperature-controlled room away from direct sunlight. A longer rope will require quite a bit of drying space. Allow at least 48 hours of dry time before using it. Putting a fan or a dehumidifier near it could expedite that drying process. Now that your rope is good and dry, it's ready to be put back into service. Pick up Sterling's Wicked Good Rope Wash in single packs or packs of 20 at gmesupply.com. Also, click that subscribe button to see our latest videos. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.